what's up, Rob?
Hey, what's going on, Don?
What do you think of the roof, how they deliver the roof and all that
It
stuff?
looks great. It's looking real beautiful.
So, we've been here for 3 weeks. Next week, we're gonna put up the windows, the siding, and that's gonna be kind of cool. And they should be finished with the roofing by Monday. So this whole thing happened in 3 weeks. So from start to finish, the foundation and that first part is about a month. And then after that, we're gonna do the electrical, the plumbing, and all the inside work. But when you're gonna build your house, you gotta call me.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah? So what do you want to do? You want to become an investor? You want to build your own house? What are your goals?
Invest first, and then, you know, down the line, build something nice for myself.
That's cool. You want a one family or two family?
For myself, one family.
Oh, that's cool. Where?
Yeah. Bergen County.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Somewhere around
So
here.
hopefully we'll work on his house soon.
Yep.
Yo, thanks for coming out, bro.
Hey, no time.
Boom.